How would you like to earn $1,000 in just one day? Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name's Jack.F. and I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor, producing weekly content helping you take your video editing and videography skills to the next level. So if that's something you are interested in, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. So as you heard from the intro, I am going to show you how I personally earn $1,000 in just one day. I know a lot of you watching this are beginners, so you're probably wondering, Jack, how the hell can I, as a beginner or as an intermediate, earn that much money in just one day? Don't worry, I'm going to break down how I personally went about this and how you guys can too, and how I've actually got future gigs like this lined up as well. So first of all, a bit of background. What is this actual gig that I did? So when I was getting started as a freelance videographer about 5 years ago, I was doing anything and everything I could get my hands on, and one of my first paying clients in the music scene was someone called James. And James came to me and said, "Hey Jack, I like your work, I see that you're a beginner, yada yada yada. I'm hosting this brand new event and I'm looking to get some video content. How much would you charge me for a 30-second after movie?" And I was like, well, I'm brand new, I think about £50. And he's like, alright, cool, yeah, let's get you on board. The event was pretty good, it wasn't a flop, but it was, a lot of people didn't turn up because it was first event, but it happened and I got paid, and boom, I had that relationship. And then 2 years later, I get a phone call. "Jack, it's James. I want to do a BTS documentary series following superstar DJs and how they achieved their title." And I was like, okay, cool, so we're gonna have to do this, this and this. It's gonna cost you about $1,000. And it's like, all right, yeah, cool, let's make it happen. So that's what it was. And if you want to see exclusive behind the scenes, me going through shooting this exact gig that I'm talking about, it's over on my course, it's exclusively on there. Nowhere else can you find that BTS video. So if you want to see the BTS of that, link in bio. Anyway, so we'll go ahead, shoot it, edit, boom, I've got $1,000 in my bank account. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you can go about actually securing these high profile gigs. So the first way is the way I did it, was by networking and putting out content. One of the reasons why James phoned me up was because I was always on his feed. I was always putting out content on how videographers can take it to the next level. I was also putting out my own work, the latest piece of work that I did for a nightclub, an artist, corporate gig, wedding gig, whatever it was. I was always putting out content, and that always meant I was at the front of his page. I was always front of mind. So when he did need a videographer, he turned around and said, "Oh, hang on, I know a videographer guy, he's always on my feed. Jack, let me give Jack a call." And that is how I got out there. And what you want to be doing when you're posting content, you want to be using certain hashtags so you can get discovered on the feed. What you want to be doing is using hashtag your location followed by videographer, hashtag your location followed by video editor. And then what that is going to do is going to get you ranking in Instagram's SEO. So when a client comes searches Manchester videographer, I'm one of the first ones that pops up because I'm always pumping out content and using those key hashtags. So the second way is a very, very easy and tried and true method. I've earned easily upwards $5,000 from this method over the years. So this second method that I'm talking about is Upwork. Upwork is the biggest billboard site for clients looking to get some creative stuff done. So if we hop over to the computer right now, all I've done is searched videographer and have a look here. There's a posting just 1 hour ago, someone looking for a photographer and videographer for a school talk. Easy stuff. Posted yesterday, live music event filming in London, 10th of May. This is a very active way that you can get clients. Boom, 2 days ago, regular freelance videographer and video editor required, recurring clients. So this is, can earn a lot of money with it. It's not just a one-off gig. Boom, 2 days ago, videographer needed for a car project. If you are not on Upwork, you are missing out. You have to get on Upwork. Again, just keep going. 3 days ago, need a videographer, Glasgow. Boom, need videographer need for social content. Video is the new norm, guys. If you are not on Upwork and if you're not producing and putting out your own content, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Make sure you implement these methods. Make sure you're putting out content regularly, daily, spamming the feed, make sure you're the top of mind, and get on Upwork. Upwork is the biggest site for freelance video editors and freelance videographers. If you want to learn how to actually stand out from the crowd on Upwork, like I said, Upwork is the biggest billboard site for jobs. But if you want to stand out from the crowd, I've got a detailed course going over this, link in bio. I show you how to stand out from the crowd and how to actually have a big conversion rate. And with that being said, guys, this has been a video on how I earned $1,000 in just one day. And again, like I said, if you want to see the exclusive behind the scenes of this gig, this high profile gig, I have links in the description on my brand new course that I've just dropped. It's less than an OnlyFans. Go check it out. And with that being said, I hope you guys have found some value in this video. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other videos. And if you have any questions regarding any of this, DM me on Instagram at JackFernleyProductions, or leave a comment and I will get back to you. So without further ado, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.